In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel. Freezing panes is a simple way to keep your headers and labels visible while you scroll through large datasets. When done correctly, you can scroll down or across and still see the context you need, which makes reviewing and editing much faster. Here's the key idea. Excel freezes everything above and to the left of the cell. You select before turning on freeze panes. So the most important move is choosing the right cell first. Think of it like placing a corner marker. Anything above that marker stays at the top, and anything to the left stays on the left, no matter how far you scroll. Start by clicking the cell that's just below the last row you want to keep visible, and just to the right of the last column you want to keep visible. For a concrete example, let's say you want to freeze row 1 and row 2, and also column A and column B. In that case, click cell C3. C3 sits below rows 1 and 2, and to the right of columns A and B, so it marks the perfect corner for this layout. If you're unsure you've clicked the right spot, glance at the name box in the top left of Excel to confirm the cell address reads C3. With that cell selected, go to the top of Excel and click the View tab to open the View ribbon. In the window group, click Freeze Panes. You'll see a few choices. For this example, choose Freeze Panes, which is the first option in the drop-down. Don't pick Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column here, because those only lock a single row or a single column. The plain Freeze Panes option locks both the rows above and the columns to the left of your selected cell. Once applied, you'll notice thin lines showing where the panes are frozen. Test it out. Scroll down, and your top rows remain fixed. Scroll right, and your left columns stay put. If something doesn't look right, press Undo and try again by selecting a different cell before using Freeze Panes. A couple of quick tips as you work. Freeze Panes is applied per worksheet, so repeat the same process on any other sheet where you want this behavior. Also, if your headers live inside a structured table, the feature works the same way. Just make sure you select the correct corner cell before freezing. That's it. You now know exactly how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel using the Freeze Panes feature. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.